The new AI model of Google is amazing. Google has just launched GEMMA, a cutting-edge language model that's both powerful and lightweight. It's built on the same tech as Gemini, but it is optimized to work seamlessly in an environment with limited resources like your laptop or cloud setup. GEMMA isn't just one trick pony, it's your go-to tool for building chatbots, content generators, and pretty much anything else you can dream up with a language model. SEO experts are especially excited because GEMMA could be the game changer they have been waiting for. There are two versions of GEMMA available, one with 2 billion parameters and another with whopping 7 billion. Now, parameters might sound technical, but they basically determine how smart GEMMA is. More parameters mean GEMMA can understand language better and give more nuanced response, but they also need more computing power. The main goal behind GEMMA is to make advanced AI accessible to everyone. It's designed to be efficient and lightweight, so it's easy for anyone to use, even in low resources settings. GEMMA vocabulary is simply impressive, with 250,000 tokens compared to the usual 32,000 in similar models. This means GEMMA can handle complex language tasks with ease, whether it's math, code, or anything else you throw its way. And then there are GEMMA embedding way, which are like its serious source, and they are massive, totaling 750 million. This way helps GEMMA understand the meaning and relationship between words, making it respond more accurate and relevant. Plus, they are shared between input processing and output generation, which makes GEMMA even more efficient. Auni Hannon, a machine learning engineer at Apple, even tweeted about GEMMA massive forecast and embedding way. He thinks they will be a game changer for tasks involving math, code, and other tricky stuff. But it's not just about power and smart. GEMMA also designed with safety in mind. Google has gone to great lengths to filter out personal and sensitive info from GEMMA training data, and they have used fancy techniques like reinforcement learning from human feedback to make sure GEMMA behaves itself. And here's the best part. GEMMA is open to everyone. Whether you are a seasoned developer or just curious about AI, you can start using GEMMA right away. Platforms like Kaggle and Collab Notebook offer free access, and Google even throw in $300 in credits for first-time cloud users. So whether you are building the next big thing in AI or just tinkering around for fun, GEMMA got your back. With its power, efficiency, and safety feature, GEMMA is set to revolutionize the world of language models.